So we're going to make a sweep now, and we're going to do that on the inside of the soap dish. So the first step is to make a new sketch on the surface of the bottom of the soap dish cavity. Right click, new sketch. And we're going to start by making the path that we'll take for our sweep. So I'm going to make a fish scale in here. So I'm going to use an arc. And I'm going to go ahead and do, let's see, the scales would go this way. So I'm going to go ahead and make a little arc there. And I'm only going to do one now, and I'll do a pattern of those later. But right now I'm just showing you the sweep. So I make a path, and it doesn't have to be an enclosed area. Actually, it shouldn't be an enclosed area. It should just be a path. So it could be whatever goes along with your soap dish. In this case, I have a fish. I'm going to put scales inside there. So I'm going to finish my sketch. I've got my path, and then I'm going to make a perpendicular plane by coming up here to where the work plane is, clicking on the path itself, and then on the endpoint. And you can see that by doing that, it makes a plane perpendicular to the path that I just created. Once I have that, I'm going to make a new sketch on the plane. And I'm going to need to slice the graphic. I press F7, and I can toggle that on and off. F7 slices the graphic. It takes me to where my work plane is actually acting. And you can see right here, here is my sketch. It's vertical. There's my path, horizontal. And I'm going to now draw my triangle, and I'm going to draw it 1/8 of an inch. And I'm not going to require you to dimension this. We're just going to kind of try to make it isosceles, make it so that it's a closed area. Notice that I'm making a closed triangle, and that's going to be the triangle I use to sweep. Not, oh, look at that, I missed. I need to redo that. So here, I want to make sure that I'm going to be connecting to that end right there. There you go. You want to make sure that you're on the path and that you have a closed area. Okay, I'll finish my sketch, and then I simply sweep. So I come up here to my 3D tools. It's near revolve, extrude, here sweep. Select your triangle. If you can't select it right away, just leave your cursor there, and a little box will come up. It's not doing it. Let's see. If you leave it there, a little box comes up, and you can select what exactly it is you want to sweep. In this case, it selected it automatically. There's my profile. It pops down to path, so that you can, once you have your profile selected, you just click your path, and voila, there's your sweep. And you can see that it has a triangle for a cross section, and it sweeps along the path that you made. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and turn off the visibility of your plane, and you are done with your sweep.